Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson. I'm with MarineMax here at Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of this 2024 AR220. As you can see, this is the really pretty blue that they offer with the white deck top. It's a 22-foot boat. It's the AR, so it does have the wake tower on top. So check out this outside of the boat. Nice tandem axle painted trailer. Around the back, it has the finished sea deck back here, so if you're hanging out, something nice to sit on, and it's not slippery if you're getting in and out. So I'm going to take you and show you the inside of the boat. Come on. Okay, now we're inside the boat. Really spacey for a 22-foot boat. Big, nice bow. All the seats have storage underneath them, flip up. It's got a front bow anchor and ladder to go off the front if you want to get off on the beach that way. Very nice marine grade snap-in carpet. You can close the bow off for wind and close the windshield so you can keep those cool nights out. Storage under the helm and on the port side. Nice long bench seat, lots of space and room. Wraps around, called the nice playground seating, playpen seating. Comes with a cooler. And then the helm here is pretty cool. You got the phone charger, charging access. It's got the 5-inch connect screen and then Bluetooth wireless stereo system. This does have twin 1.9 liter motors, so plenty of horsepower, lots of fun for water sports. Great boat. So come and check out this Yamaha AR220 at our store here. It's going to be on our website, and then if you want, you can call us at 864-236-9005.